someone who's looking to be very aggressive. He needs someone to reset the ball. I think Sam's and Soli's done that perfectly right. We'll have to probably check with Shantanu why he let go of Soli and make this conversation more spicier. I have a feeling they're going to stick towards Prajit and how Prajit thinks this game and see if he pops the ball up.
You know what's also really funny is Prajit is one of Samir's like really good friends. And it's friends and enemies on the court tonight.
As you can see, zero eye contact. Never mind that. Nice warm hug. And Soli, I think he's telling him, I'm going to crush you tonight. And Sam is not messing around. He's on a mission. Oh, this is going to be an interesting exchange. Respect for each other.
The hunter is going to hunt tonight. I'm going to say that.
4 fierce competitors, and I would like to see if Sam's going to stick to his double-handed backhand today, especially with the injury to his left arm. The previous, I guess he was injured 2 weeks ago.
And I think that tells you how important the HPL is, right? The guy's injured. He actually fell, unfortunately, hurt his left hand. Could have easily just been like, my hand's hurting, I'm out. I'll see you guys next year. He's actually fighting, stayed there, playing a one-handed backhand. And Karunesh, to be fair, did a fabulous job in singles to make sure that they didn't miss Sam too much in that department. Anyway, now number 13, Soli, the coolest guy on the court, ready to go.
2-2. Whoever wins this game, like Harsh said before, will be guaranteed a game breaker. Looking forward to this one.
Oh, Vishal just misses that. And that gets the first point on the board for the All-Stars.
Well, it's nice to see, despite obviously this is a massive game because it is 2-all. Both of them are laughing, smiling. That means the opposite have some confidence.
Vishal playing majority of the shots so far for the Mavericks. Do you think it's part of the strategy to for him to be a lot more aggressive? Just like that shot.
Mavs not far behind with their first point on the board.
Slowly getting body back, but he knew the ball was going out. I think next time Vishal comes in and tries to slam it, he probably is going to leave it.
Vishal tried to pounce on that ball, but unfortunately that wasn't the right shot to take there.
1-all. I think whoever gets a lead early in the game is going to have a massive advantage, especially in high-pressure games.
I think that's the idea for both the teams, I believe.
Exactly. Right. Soli saw the earlier one was going out. He realized that, decided to leave this one. Soli is a very, very analytical player. He understands things and he is able to move on his feet. He doesn't need external help to actually tell him what to do.
I heard he plays all racket sports, so I guess he's seen it all.
I can feel Vishal's frustration right now.
Yeah, I don't think Vishal or Sam want to lose to each other. So I think at the end of the day, you gotta love the competition.
Call there by the Mavericks.
How do you predict that? The ball's too low. They have to predict how the power of the shot is and then take a call if it's on in or out. Takes a while, I guess.
Yeah, so normally it depends on the angle at which the ball is coming. If it's actually still rising when it's coming to you, invariably it's going out because that means that the ball is obviously going to go out because it's still rising. But if it's actually very low or dropping, then most likely it's going in. So that's normally the way to say. But to say that in 0.2 seconds is not a walk in the park.
I think what I'm also really looking forward to seeing is, how you guys mentioned how pressure defines these players in these moments. We see, Vishal had missed a few of his slice shots that he's done. Is he going to continue doing them, or will he stop doing them in favor of more safer shots?
Oh, of course, the others. No, I think that's right. But I think that might be in. Karunesh is actually saying it's in, and I would actually go with his judgment because he's got the best view. But
he's also
Sam
not trying
otherwise.
to let his team take a DRS, when they're so limited.
I wonder how it is. From that, I wondered how it is for Karunesh to look at the ball, but I'm judging his eyesight.
Soli having a major fan following here. The crowd going, let's go Soli, let's go Soli. Soli a crowd favorite. Apart from his good looks, nice cap, and his calf muscles that look bigger than the World Trade Center. Soli's also got a nice personality.
I think all the refs met to compare their calf muscles with Soli's calf muscles.
And what was the verdict said?
Soli
Ball
wins
was
hands
called
down.
in.
Soli is a great sport. I guess the All-Stars, I guess the ball was out or in. I guess the ball is in. So
Cornelius was right.
great drop shot.
Prajit actually called it, but Vishal felt he was in a better position to take it, so he tried to take it. I think they might actually call a timeout unless Vishal is injured. I mean, I think he's got a bit of a problem with his back. That's never nice to see. End of the day, everybody are competitors, and you rather win on the court as opposed to having off-court challenges.
Like how Vishal gave us a look when he was playing the singles game. I think he was looking forward to this one. Definitely looking to fight. A point to be taken. Mavericks do not have any more substitutions, so Vishal's got to play this game.
Sam looks all about business. Soli setting it up well. And I think Soli turned out to be the perfect foil for Sam. Soli is chill, relaxed. And though Sam is competitive, Soli doesn't let that bother him at all. He plays the game at his own pace. And I think as Sid mentioned earlier, he's a multi-sport athlete, plays multiple racket sports, plays squash, plays paddle, plays obviously pickleball. And he's one of the best racket sport players on the planet. Oh! Almost an ATP. Prajit almost had it. But Sam wins the point.
It was a really good attempt at a block there by Prajit. Unfortunately unsuccessful.
All-Stars taking a quick lead, leading 4-2. Out, a call by...
Throwing his paddle down. He's obviously upset. That's a shot normally he should have finished. But at the same time, don't let that fool you. He's still got control of his emotions. This guy is actually a very good tennis player. So he just reset and move on. And that actually might have thrown off Sam a little bit. So, we're talking. This is not pickleball. It's actually theater.
I think every time, if you remember the player Marat Safin, every time he broke his racket, he played better. I think that's what Vishal was trying to do. Guess the paddle didn't break, but the game changed.
I haven't seen this many errors from such good players in a while. So it just goes to show, pickle is a game with many errors. It doesn't matter if you're Samir Verma or Vishal Punna. Everyone's bound to make some.
For the
This is
viewers
part
who
of
are
the game.
watching, when Sam actually shows his palm open, palm open, that means he's actually going to switch. And Sam is very happy to win that point. So when he puts his palm open, that means he's going to switch, meaning move to the other side. But when he actually shows a fist, that normally means he's going to stay where he is. So that's normally a sign that actually came from tennis. And tennis probably borrowed it from baseball.
Communication there with the Mavericks. And they take a very necessary timeout to break the momentum.
It's so crucial to actually do a perfect drop shot. That kind of showed right there. A perfect drop shot down the middle. Both the players confused who wants to go for it. Prajit went for it, nicked it out. I would not want to be Vishal's partner at this point of time because Vishal's in the zone. He's looking to be a lot more aggressive.
Wow. Timeouts called out.
So
Gentlemen back on the court.
This is why I feel Soli is such a good fit for Sam, because obviously people are going to get upset when things go according to plan. But Soli is able to absorb that from Sam, even when he gets upset. With Soli, he understands that he can actually tell him something, but Soli takes it very easy, understands the situation, and plays regularly. And that time, you don't have to find a player better than you. You need to find the right player as a partner. It makes a massive difference.
Absolutely. And it's funny that they've only started dinking to Prajit. They haven't focused on him. And they still took a 6-2 lead. Prajit can be good at the net. He's a much better baseline player. He prefers that a lot more based on the previous games he's played. Especially in the Titans game, Nikhil and Shashank focus a lot on their dinks on Prajit itself. But this can be a different game.
Oh, perfect low backhand dink there by both Samir and Vishal. Oh.
This is an ego
Oh!
play. Oh!
Even with an injured shoulder, Samir shows us
That
he
was
still
as
has
pretty
it.
as a Barbie doll.
Wonderful low backhand slice dinks. Great to watch. It looked like they were doing a dance performance for a while. The crowd loving this. It's just great
part
drinking.
part two.
Yeah.
Sam up 2-love. All Stars running away with this game. 8-2 up.
Vishal visibly frustrated there at the halfway mark.
Change of sides. Sam and Soli want to close this out. They don't want to give any more time for Vishal and Prajit to actually recover and recoup. In an ideal,
I just figured out what the chant was, Sid. Sam and Kohli, Sam Oli. That's what the chant is about.
Roko, move out. We have Sam only now.
It's great to see amazing chants come through. Mavericks have some amazing songs for their players as well. But as the game is all one way at this point, Sam Oli for the win.
Let's see if the Mavericks generate momentum after this halfway point.
One thing about Sam is once he's ahead, right, very rarely does he choke. He just crushes you from there. From that point of view, it's almost like Roger Federer. Roger Federer's ahead. Dude, you've had it. You know, there's no way, there's no choking, there's nothing. It's just full flow, full confidence. So this is going to be an uphill task for Vishal and Prajit.
Just see how things change so quickly. Mavericks were leading this fixture by 2-0. And now they're trailing 10-2. And the fixture is 2-2.
Oh, I can't believe Samir missed that one. And now with the service back, the Mavericks have an opportunity to get some points.
I think you saw that. So Sam actually apologized solely, saying sorry. And he doesn't apologize to anyone usually, but the fact that he respects Soli that much, saying, yeah, I made a mistake, it is what it is. See, and Soli also is there to like comfort him, it's okay. That's the reason why having the right partner is literally not 50, it's almost 80% of the battle.
And I think this partnership with Mavericks, it's a new partnership, I believe. They didn't play this pairing before. So you can see how composed Soli and Sam are. Things not going that well for the Mavericks.
I think that ball might have been going out, the one he actually touched, but that's in the past, and Vishal now trying to mount a comeback.
Vishal telling Prajit, just slow the game, slow the game.
The ball almost missing the commentator's box. I think Sam did not like how we commentated last time, Sid. So he went for us. The ball just missing my head.
You had a paddle with you. Let's get on board.
Totally agree. He has an incredible slice and a serve that makes his opponents go, what is he doing?
And it's great to see people like Vishal, they've played so much tennis all their career and transitioning to this sport and being this competitive at this sport and him going for every point.
Incredible aggression there by Vishal.
4-10. The Mavericks trying to mount a comeback. They need a bit of a run, but obviously the All-Stars trying to deny them that.
The strategy of slowing the game down. We heard Vishal say to Prajit, slow the game, slow the game. I guess it's worked for 2 points. All-Stars take the timeout.
That's actually a very interesting call. Considering they're up so big by 5 points, But Sam realizes that they already got 2-3 points in a row and wants to break the momentum. In fact, one could argue that's actually a hero call.
Definitely is a hero call.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you fancy yourself playing in the Hyderabad Pickleball League, if you think you're good at pickleball and want a chance to play as a part of the league, then follow Hyderabad Pickleball League on Instagram. We'll be launching the applications for the draft pool for the next season.
So we've already heard it, guys. They're already launching the draft pool for next season.
Tournament's not even over
Yeah,
yet.
it's not even over yet. Sid, are you signing up?
Dude, there's going to be a flood. This is going to be a flood of mammoth proportions. My guess is there'll be at least, at the bare minimum, 300% higher number of people who actually sign up for it than it was this year. And even this year, they had a good showing.
And you guys both, Anisha and you, both played both the Challengers and the HPL. So it's been a crazy experience, I'm sure, for you guys. No one even bid for me, so I guess I have to stick to the commentary box.
Well, we'll see if anyone bids for anyone who's playing now with the whole new talent that's going to come in next season.
Great pick by Prajit. He's on fire. I mean, Sam also was very, very surprised at the way it actually came in. So one thing that's quite interesting is, though, you know, maybe you're a good player, maybe you're not so good. A lot of players who weren't that good happen to get picked. Then their games drastically improved because they started playing with much better players. End of the day, you're the average of the 5 people you play with. Vishal, not happy at all. Not happy at all.
Vishal called it out. Prajit went for it. I guess,
They're high,
yeah.
but I think they're just going to, shake it off as they need to get it together.
And Vishal is like this on the court, and it's great to see that because how committed he is to make his team win and get a point.
It's funny. Soli, obviously they want to target him, but the guy is actually turning everything else. So, and one rare mistake by Sam.
Vishal back to straight mark, backhand slice. Yeah. Prajit loving it.
I think that might be not going out. Sid, the one that Prajit took, was that actually going out?
I just wanted Prajit to smash that ball. I would have smashed it, you would have left it. I think it was going out. But
If it was
Prajit
going out,
smashed.
definitely I would have touched it.
Same.
No,
Yeah.
hang on. What's going on here? Did they call it out?
Ref,
Oh,
that line
that's
ref
actually
set
very
up.
close. I would actually DRS that. But I guess they don't see that's actually quite smart. They don't want to lose the momentum. They said, let it go. We just go to the next point, and that's actually a smart move.
Right.
It was a brilliant misdirection set up by Vishal that the All-Stars had countered, but really great aggression throughout.
What do you think might be going in Sam's and Kohli's brain right now? Soli's brain right now, because they've lost 5 points in a row, and Mavericks are making a quick comeback. Still 3 points away, but what do you think the mindset would be?
Soli would be thinking about what to eat for breakfast tomorrow morning. He's a chiller, and that's the reason why he's actually a perfect foil for Sam. Sam is thinking he wants to crush this and finish the match. So I think both of them have their priorities right. You see Vishal playing to Sam's backhand, knowing fully well he can't play a double-handed backhand. So that's actually a smart move.
He's
given
been playing to his
circumstances.
backhand all night. And Samir has countered them very well, too.
They've actually narrowed the gap down by quite a bit. 10-7 now, just 3 points. It's anybody's match.
Yep. Especially with the Mavericks making that quick comeback, but right when I said it, Prajit makes that mistake. A lot of pressure now back on the Mavericks. They'll want to break the serve and get back to getting the points.
When the Mavericks have the serve back, it
Second
was going to be
serve.
a critical moment if they
Second
if they
serve.
lost that point.
Though they lost the point, you saw what just happened there, right? Soli just moved out of the way, completely realizing that Sam wants to take the next shot and set up the third shot. I mean, that's strategy because they realize that Sam's got a very good third shot And no matter what happens in the long run, that actually works pretty well.
Exactly right. I think you see a stark difference in terms of how the third shots of the All-Stars versus the third shots of the Mavericks have been. The Mavericks have stuck to the Vishal driving and then the fifth shot drop, but now they're back to Prajit dropping. Good change of play.
Notice Prajit has also been dropping to Samir's backhand in the kitchen as well. They're trying everything they can to see the weakness.
Oh, for sure, and why wouldn't you, right? And at the end of the day, you got to take advantage of what you can do. Boom. 8-11. Vishal not very happy, but in these situations, though, I mean, obviously you got a lot of experience. In these situations, you got to dig deep. You got to realize that you got to fight for every single point, and this is where champions are made.
I think part of the next season we'll see a lot more. Oh, he's right out there. Vishal almost making that dive. But I think next season we're going to see a lot more flatter drops, I feel, because the forehand, I mean the topspin drops really haven't worked out that well, at least currently in the league. But it's great to see a lot of good thinking.
See a lot more spin next season as well. Everyone's learning.
12-8. The Mavs are down by 4 points. Soli wants to close it out. The Mavs are shooting one break. Let's see if they get it.
Soli coolly guiding it to Prajit's corner, waiting for that mistake.
This is where the experience of Soli comes in, right? The guy is as cool as Iceland. You know, it's a very critical match. The guy just puts it back in easily. And when Soli is playing, you don't know the score is 12-all or if it's 12-2.
Oh, and that's a really beautiful placement there by Vishal to get the serve back. It's a gap of 5 points. The Mavericks are down by 5. Let's see what they can do.
Vishal's like, let me take over. Let me get these volleys, let me get these smashes.
Oh, a very mistake by Sam. 9-13. The pressure showing on even the best player in Hyderabad.
The Mavericks really need to take this 1 point at a time to keep their cool, to keep their composure.
Crucial points. Good rally so far. Prajit putting it back. Sam
did not miss that. But this is what pressure is all about. But you see Soli there, cool as a cucumber. We got it, bro. Don't worry about it. We got it. And this is why having the right partner it makes a difference.
Sam almost went and hugged Soli in that particular rally. Almost went to his part of the court.
Oh, and ball goes long.
It's interesting. I think in all 4 of them, Soli is showing the best composure given the extreme importance of this match.
We would all love to have a doubles partner like Soli. Someone who can give you the right advice, keep his calm you down as well. I think Sam's, if anyone could find a better partner, doubles partner, it's got to be Sam who's on Soli.
Oh, and the difference is just 1 point now, y'all. It's 12-13. The Mavericks are down just 1.
12-13. Vishal on serve. Mavericks have got 2 serves left. Stars need a break. Miscommunication in the highest of pressure. I think it's second serve. Oh no, the Stars on serve now.
Yeah, I think there was, like you said, some miscommunication there. Yeah. On match point, can the All-Stars close it? Crucial 2 serves. If they can close it in this particular serve.
Somebody's saying, calm down, calm down. Soli is like, what are you talking about? Second serve. They're trying to wrap it up. Soli needs to close this out. Otherwise, it gives the Mavericks a chance to actually win the game from here.
The Mavericks need to break this.
Oh, I think they're going to contest
And
that.
all the Mavericks are saying
They're
it's
going to
out.
contest that.
It's
They're going to
out.
contest that.
They're calling a DRS.
I'm thinking that's actually out. I'm actually thinking that's actually out.
I guess we'll have to wait.
The drama. The drama. Can you imagine this happening on match
We
you
knew
point?
skip
this was
this?
going to be an amazing match. It started a bit slow, but it's picked up pace since then.
Letting you know the ball was closed at 11.
No one could have scripted this.
This is high pressure. Gopi running to his teammates, and Gopi apparently, I think, communicating that it was out. My guess is it actually is out. The Mavericks team looks quite confident it was actually out. So I think it might be the Mavericks on serve when the game starts.
The bar's closing at 11, ladies and gentlemen. 11 sharp if you'd like to get your drinks along with the games.
That was the time. The bar closes in 5 minutes.
At 11 p.m. sharp.
What kind of script is this, guys? I have no idea what's going on.
Even Steven Spielberg would be very happy with the script that's currently on offer at the HPL. 2-all, a very, very critical match. Whoever wins this, there's a high probability they actually end up winning the championship. I mean,
Right.
the trophy is the size of Sri Lanka, so whoever takes the trophy needs to get a truck to go home.
Anisha telling Vishal, he's doing the right things.
Vishal keeps coming here for Anisha's advice. I think Anisha is a very, very obviously underrated coach.
I think Vishal's looking at our Diet Coke, Sid. The crowd shouting could be out, doesn't really help.
Spare a thought for Prajit here. He's obviously not. Oh, ball is out. Mavs on serve. 12-14. This is exactly the reason why all of us watch, play, and appreciate sport.
This is why we love the HPL. Sports plus drama, nothing like that combination.
And that ball was as out as Steve Buckner giving Sachin Tendulkar.
In this moment, it's so hard to not leave those, right? I feel for Pranjit, I really do.
Oh,
Wow.
what is
It's a godsend for the Mavericks!
13-14. The Mavs need this point to make it 14-all. Let's see if Cool Soli
What a
lives
time
up
to
his
serve.
reputation.
What a time to make that serve, making Sam make the mistake. Crucial thinking now. I'm nervous, guys. It is all deuce.
14-all.
It's 14-0, the Hunter
No.
Board!
Wait. This is fire.
I-
Everyone pumping each other up.
Crowd going wild. Completely wild.
Soli is checking out whether it's a difference of 1 or 2. And the referee is saying it's a difference of 2 points. So the crowd is getting into it.
It's wild, it's electric
Oh.
right now.
This is why we watch the HPL, guys. The crowd.
Ajwal leaves the one ball that he should actually take it. Prajit, unfortunate, man. I mean, to be fair, the height of that ball actually warranted for it to be left, and he did the right thing given the circumstances, but unfortunately, it came in for him. Oh, one more.
All
Sam
right.
thought that was in. Vishal
Referee
called it
called
out by Mastermont. Oh, 14-all second serve.
good to see both referees calling it.
The pressure,
The
guys.
pressure's too much.
Very thin
Vishal is in
margins.
pain. Samir
That
is in
point being
pain.
exactly one of those.
There's more pressure on this than a nuclear submarine at the bottom of the Atlantic at over a kilometer down underwater.
Oh, and the Mavericks get it back. do not get it back. It's 15-14. It's not
But,
out.
but
I
the
think
Mavs
they
are on
get it
serve though. Mavs are on serve. 14-15. Mavs
Yeah,
on
Mavs
serve.
on serve.
Mavs on serve. I think it has been updated yet. Mavs on serve. 14 all Mavs on serve.
Yeah, the Mavs are serving. I think they.
Gopi hyping up his
Wait a second,
teammate.
there's
Small
something going
technical
on with the
errors
score.
I think
Okay,
there's
it's
some-
14,
14
all,
all,
like
Mavs
what
on
we were
serve.
saying. Mavs on serve, as my commentators have noted.
I am excited. I am nervous. I've no idea what kind of emotions I'm having at this point. Tight game. All props to both the teams for giving it a hard fought.
Oh, it's going to be. Backhand to backhand. It's going to be an ego play. Oh,
Both
that
of them
was
playing
gentle.
so carefully.
That was gentle. They're treating it like it's a newborn baby. Oh! And he speeds up to Prajit. And the All-Stars break one serve. It's all happening here at the HPL. All happening here.
There's a second chance here for the Mavericks.
But that's nice. Slowly returning it easy.
Oh, and
Tony
it's
misses one.
15-14 for the
The
Mavericks.
Mavs are on match point from the middle of nowhere. From the middle of nowhere. Match point. What is happening here? Pradeep is like, I got this. I got this. I got this. 15-14. And whoever wins this point will end up winning the match is my humble prediction.
Wow, guys. Sam
Sam
keeping his cool.
cleaning that up. Cleaning that up. Didn't go for 2 months. Played at 70%. Now All-Stars on serve. Still down a point. Guys, the most exciting match of the whole tournament.
My heart rate is up, y'all. I can't.
I did not sign up for this set. Beautiful game.
Slowly pick it up. Oh! No way! No way! Not this time in the game. Not this time in the game. Slowly picks it up out of nowhere. Hits a lob. And a very, very, very unfortunate error. Now it's 15-0.
And if you had noticed, Soli, he already predicted that lob, and he made the run towards the net.
Sam, quiet fist bump that Rocky would be proud of. This is all happening at the HPL. 16-15. Now match point for the All-Stars. From being match point down to match point up in just a matter of less than 5 minutes.
Just how quickly this game changes. It's just amazing to watch that. Sam keeping his cool. Beautiful take.
Oh!
What a
Brilliant
shot.
shot there by
big
Vishal,
one.
forcing a second serve from the All-Stars. Saying, you're not going to win this just yet.
Man, this is a make or break. This is a make or break.
It's very important. I think Sam and Soli sticking to the things and then making that quick ramp up. We'll see if that same pattern is played now.
Oh! All-Stars down match point, pulling through. This has to be the greatest game of the HPL 2025. Soli letting it all out, the way he let it all out on the court. A great day for pickleball.
It was a brilliant performance by both teams. Who knew it would get to 15-17?
Soli, Sam, look at Sam. He's mentally drained. And you're talking about a guy who's won more than 50 tournaments. So happy, so exhausted, so relieved.